Today, we're going back in time.
Thanks for tuning into our video today. Looking for more subscribers, so for those of you who have not subscribed, take a minute. Click on the icon, the lower right of your screen, right down there. Those of you who have, thank you for your support. Returning for some great content. If you haven't made a decision to subscribe, well, here is what we're all about.
Deviator on the road and back again. Trucking loads going out of our way. Topic driven for our family of viewers. Join us. Subscribe today. Ride along with me. Let's do what we do best. Fill these bad boys up and make it count. One load can make a difference. Quick look at topics and loads we covered till today. Stay tuned for an update at the end of this video. And here are some of the highlights.
We are underway to Hermitage, PA. Who are we training anyway? The industry, due to perceived shortage projection, has lowered its standards for entry into the industry. Larger companies are now more willing to take on the less qualified and younger entrants into a workforce that's already challenged enough. It's a safe bet that now is the time in the industry where the standards should be increased to meet the day. We should be raising the bar, not dropping it on the damn ground. I'm going to title this video CYA. And I'm going to give you some good advice as to how to keep yourself from getting into a situation that's going to screw you in the end. Set the tone, stand your ground. Short time ago, I called on a load. Was listed on the board, $2,400. The offer he came back with was half that. 100% of lousy? It's still lousy. My price or no dice. And the load was originally tendered to me with paperwork that said it was a preloaded trailer ready for pickup at 3 p.m. in the afternoon. Making sure that the information provided to you in the conversation, in the bidding process, and in the actual load itself is accurate and truthful. Always carry a blank logbook, guys. These machines are required for most of us, and when they fail, they don't give you a warning. Because sometimes to affect change, you've got to do just that. And you can't put average individuals that are not trained behind the wheel of one of these things and expect them to operate it safely, whilst at the same time getting a full understanding of what the industry's all about. So industry-wide, the less money we make, the less productivity comes as the end result. And that may sound like a greedy statement, but the honest truth is it's not a matter of greed, it's just a matter of resources. So the rates on the loads have to be fair, and the terms on the way the load gets delivered have to be fair as well. Today's topic is road safety. According to Huffington Post, leading cause of accidents is distracted driving. In addition to that, there are, according to an article, more than 14 other reasons for automobile crashes. As time passes, our ability to stay focused behind the wheel becomes more difficult. New technology, increased traffic, road hazards and all, bad enough, but being distracted while driving is statistically the leading cause of accidents. Driving at night, it's another good one. Driving by itself presents its own challenges, but when you add in the lack of visibility, you can be certain it can be hazardous. Tailgating's another good one. While you're on the road, I see it all the time. Another one is blowouts. This can simply be prevented. A great deal of accidents are caused by something that really annoys us. In fact, truckers, we have a term for it. Gator. Lastly, speeding. Second most common cause of accidents according to NTSB. No matter what the load of the cargo, the idea that you will gain anything from driving down the highway at speeds of 80 miles an hour, dangerous, unproductive, and wrong. No way to slice it. No load is worth the risk. Topic-driven, no-holds-barred, opinion-oriented discussion around matters that affect our industry. Be sure and check out the videos previewed here and others on this channel. In-depth, thought-provoking perspective you'll only get here with me, Deviator, on the road. To date, we have a library of 75 videos, each one becoming increasingly more entertaining and educational. Each one is a load, a topic, with a peek into the mind of an owner-operator in the complex world of trucking in America today. This week has seen loads in states from Pennsylvania to home, all the way through the Carolinas into Indiana, making a gross of nearly $5,300. Driving is a fulfilling job for me, one I take very seriously. Bringing you along in the passenger seat on this channel is also fulfilling and rewarding. To date, I've over 160 subscribers to this channel, and I'm excited to continue growing our audience. So please, if you haven't taken a step to join our family of viewers, I urge you, take that next step. Hit that subscribe button right down here. Make us easier to find. One click, one load, and with, you guessed it, Deviator on the road. Till next time, my friends, reminding you, good or bad, while you're on the road, think of others and lighten the load. And as always, be happy, stay safe, and make it count.